right, let's get this lantern fired up. Try not to blow our faces off. Go outside, light a fire, and cook something. Did that scare you? She always scares me. All right, that should be good. Come on, girl, let's go. Anna, in here. We're gonna cut some kindling, Lenka. Hey, get the fire going outside. Okay, girl. Have to do it in here. There's no light outside. What are we gonna chop up? Let's find something back here. Oh, there's lots of good stuff to chop up here. Ah, a little bit of this. There are lots. Get. You smell that steak? Hey? Get your nose. Get. That's some long stuff. Holy man. What else we got? All right. That should be good. Let's go start that fire. Get those matches out of there. I think we just need the little pieces this time. Well, let's burn it all. What does it matter? Hey, Lenka, burn it all. All right. Yeah, let's go start that fire outside. Hey, good girl. Hey, good girl. What? You want more? Okay. Okay. There you go. Get down. Is that good for now? Sure. Whew. All right, what are we gonna do? That's one out, Linka. Get your nose out of here. You're going to catch fire. Guess we're going to find out if this is going to go. Let's throw some matches on there for extra helpers. There we go. She's windy. She's a windy night. We're going to plow through her and cook. We're going to do some drinking and cooking. Friday night. Come on, light up. Yep, that's going to go no problem. Yeah, it'll be all right. All right. Okay, get back. Get. Here. Want some water? Go ahead. No, get out of that. That's for the vegetables, not for you. No, that's for the veggies. This is your water. Come here. That's your water. Come on, Linka. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Well, got something special for you today. We're cooking Cowboy Kebabs. You know why? Because this is cow, beef, I'm a boy, and kebabs. These are from my neighbor Anna from the summertime. Figure might as well use them. But there's really no such thing as Cowboy Kebabs because kebabs are Middle Eastern. So, well, this stuff's a little brown on the edges because I got $4 off. It says used by today. So we're going to use it by today. $14.19 for beef boneless cross rib steak, family size. But yeah, there's no beer drinking today. And you know why? As some of you may know, I was a registered nurse for 26 years and I retired when I was 49. After about 3 months of being retired, I got super bored. And so I took another job, easy going retirement job. Can you guess with my character and attitude what it might be? I sell cars. You come buy a car from Jerry now. So I sell for one of the big three. That's all I'll say about that. And some guy decided to talk about tariffs. So it's been a horrible week. Everyone's scared off. So when it's a bad week of selling cars, you know what I do? I can't afford to buy beer. So I didn't buy myself beer. You know why? Because I'm a single dad. I've been raising my daughter on my own since she was 5. And I'm on a budget. So no beer for dad this week, which means I got to drink whatever's left at the cabin. And this is left at the cabin. Half Cut, it's called. It's from a place called Newfoundland. Newfoundland, as I like to say. My brother lives out yonder there. I think they call this stuff wine. What is that? I don't know. We're going to find out. And how do you drink it? Do you mix it? It's got to be good stuff because there's a twist off on top. It'll do. Anyways, let's get to cooking. Let's put that right there. Yeah. Let's get into this stuff. Make sure my dog doesn't get your nose out of there. Come here and lay down. You sit pretty over here. Put that under there. Actually, you know what? Let's give it to the earth. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Stop stressing. Make sure you got a sharp knife. Cut this stuff up. Because we're going to... How big do we cut it? I don't know. We're going to... You got to cube it. You know what we forgot to do? Going sideways already. How many kebabs am I making? Like 3? These are big kebabs. Yikes. Okay, that's okay. We got to pre-soak these. That's why we got water from the well. We're going to wash our veggies in well water and pre-soak these kebabbers. Maybe one more? I don't know. Just in case. One more. Okay. Cut them up. My fancy knife. Hey. Maybe I'll just finish cutting these up and bring you guys back in a bit. All right, we're back. Come here, Lincoln. You want that? There you go. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to just chuck this all in a bowl. Take that stringy piece off. I don't know where it went. Can't see nothing. It's dark. Put it in a bowl. We're going to put some winini on it. We're going to put some golden Nutty juice from Prince, or he's a king now. King Chuck. Thanks, King Chuck. Worcestershire sauce. Some lime. Some salt. We're going to marinate that for a bit while we're doing the rest. Mix it up good. Okay, let that sit and stew for a while. Get in there. We're going to take our zucchini, and we're going to wash it. We're going to take our red pepper. We're going to wash it. We're going to take our green pepper. Mushrooms. How about mushrooms? You guys know I'm not really a veggie guy, but if you're having kebabs, you got to have mushrooms. So that all goes in the pail, into the fire. Boy, I'm going to have a lot of haters. Okay, that's going away. We got to cut up some onions. We're going to nice chunky bits because it's got to go in the kebabs. How much onion does a guy need? That's a good chunky. Those are good chunks. Oh, there's a bit of the end on that one. Yeah, those are good. That's good. That's good. I don't know how much I need, guys. Like, I don't know. We'll just keep cutting away, I guess. I got white and red. You got to mix it up. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Got to have all the colors mixed in. Hey, I was talking about a guy that put tariffs earlier, but you know what? This channel is no religion and no politics rules, because all politicians are mother effers, right? But if there's no politics and no religion rules on my channel, then we can all just get along. Hey? So let's stick by those, especially in the comments. Just let it be, man. Let's put these in the fire. Okay, Lincoln, get out of the way, man. White onion. Huzzah! Cut the ends off. Man, it's nice cutting this outside. Your eyes don't water up. It's awesome. Okay, I think I'm doing this correctly. I don't know if I've seriously ever made my own kebabs. You know that? So this is a first. Busting my cherry. Okay. Onion there. On the fire. Okay, that's all made. What is this? Red pepper. Huzzah! I want to eat the paper. What else is in my magical pot? Green pepper. Well, let's cut that red pepper up first. Nice chunks. Oh, this is going to be a treat. Okay, push that to the side. Green pepper. My dog's eating peppers. She's going to diarrhea everywhere. Keep her outside. Okay. That. I might enjoy vegetables for once. We'll see. Okay, that's done. What else I got? Ah, zucchinis. Am I even hitting the ends? No. I can't see nothing. There we go. Okay, zucchinis in the snow. We got a bunch of mushrooms. They got dirt in them still. I don't care. I'd be putting, you know what I'm going to say. I won't say it. Don't worry about you putting in your mouth because we've all been there. Anyways, let's start dicing them up, sliding them up. I don't know what you call it, but let's get at her. How do we do this? What's the rule to this? Let's do it quick and then we'll pause it and come back. That mushroom just split in half, so I don't know if this is going to even turn out. Got to go slow? I don't know, man. They're full of snow now. I probably wasn't supposed to do that. Okay, we're going to put one mushroom. Get on there, get on there, get on there. Son of a biatch! Ha! They're all splitting. What's the trick to mushrooms, guys? Am I not going to be able to put mushrooms on these? Are they too cold? Ah, they're too hard. Hey? Oh, well. Yep. Okay, let's try a zucchini. Boom. Green pepper. Green pepper. I don't know. Do you do meat, zucchini, meat? Like, I don't know how this works. Meat, zucchini, green pepper, meat, red pepper, meat, red pepper. What am I? White onion. Damn mushrooms, you look good. Damn it. White onion, meat, red onion. Oh yeah, maybe just 2 kebabs over the fire. Meat. And then just repeat. Okay. I got to tell you guys a story. As I was telling you, I work in the auto industry and went into the service department, and there was a bunch of the ladies that worked there were giggling away. So what's so funny, ladies? And they said, that mustache, Jerry. And I said, you know what? I like it. And they said, we like it too. It suits you. And I said, thank you, ladies. And I said, you know what? And if people don't like it, guarantee their moms like it. And they said, Jerry, we're just wondering, does that tickle down there? Does it tickle? We'd like a tickle. And I said, ladies, don't you know that your warranty 100% covers that service? That's a free guaranteed service every time. You qualify under warranty, so don't you worry about that. We're going to cover that free of charge. And they just laughed. Anyways, let's get on to cooking and doing some drinking and get this on the fire. See you guys shortly. All right, smoky or kebabi. So you guys know what we do now? We drink, stoke the fire, cook some kebabs, and then we eat. Ah! God, I wish I had a beer. So what I did is I just put the mushrooms on the fire. Not ready to eat. God, am I going to have a headache tomorrow. Guarantee you that. Let's chill that off. No. Do I need my tongs? Let's get some tongs. Take these mushrooms back. That one I can eat. I'm gonna eat that guy. Yeah. That's too hot. There we go. That's what we want for those kebabs. Okay, got a nice smoke flavor in my eyes. Ah! Those mushrooms are good. Oh man. Hmm. Blanca! Oh, there you are. Smoky again. Gosh. Oh, roasted mushrooms are good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh man. Okay. Well, you served the mushrooms with the kebabs. Oh yeah. I don't know if I bought white mushrooms. I don't know if they're the right kind for this. I don't know what I'm doing. Coyotes are howling, but you're probably not gonna hear it. Doesn't matter. I get to hear it, and I get to save it up here. That's all that matters. Okay, how long do you have kebabs on for? That mushroom. It's hot. It's a hot fire. Hot. I'll burn my lips. Wasn't exactly cooked. A little raw, like cardboardish in the middle. It's a smoky fire, but I can't do nothing because I can't have too much heat cooking this. There we go. What a fantastic night at the cabin. Man. There we go. That's a breathing fire. Ugh. Boy, am I going to smell like the bush tomorrow. I don't know. These mushrooms gotta get closer to there. Put some wine on them. Yeah, pretty soon. I don't know, a couple minutes to take these off. I'm probably gonna regret drinking a lot of this wine. I'm gonna have to chug a hell of a lot of water. I know that. Okay, next time you see me, we're gonna be inside eating this. Yeah, we made it. We're gonna sit down and eat. I don't know if it's cooked. Looks like it. Been on a while, or maybe it hasn't. That's what happens when you hit the sauce and you're having fun. Take your hat off at the dinner table. Take it off. Comb your hair. All right. These are massive. I took the mushrooms off. Got a couple. Oh, it's juicing everywhere. Oh, they're tender. Okay, making a total mess of this. Do I got enough? How much do I need? I don't know. Oh, yeah, no, it's cooked. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, all right. I did good. I did real good. Oh, it's like a medium rare. Salt, mushroom, red pepper, piece of meat. Mm-hmm. No, Lenka. You have lots. Who's going to eat all this? I better pack some up for my kid. He'll get that tomorrow. Half cut. Oh, this is dandelion wine. Dandelion wine. What the? I'm getting pissed off a dandelion wine. That's a first. Let's try some onion. All right. Blur that. No. With that. I don't know how to do this. Am I doing this right? Oh, zucchini, red onion, mushroom, steak. Mm-hmm. Fantastic, fabulous. I'm gonna eat, curl into bed, call it a night. If I can stop eating, man, that's a lot of food. I'll get her done. Mm. Well, Dandelion, you did done good. You did done good. I don't even drink that much. Vin de dent de bon. Okay, Frenchie. I was with a French girl once. That's all I'm going to say about that. Montreal. Montreal. Anyways, I'm going to tuck into bed, guys. Maybe you can watch me tuck into bed with my dog. And that'll be that. I don't know. Maybe not. Let's just cut her here. Who wants to see that? Hey? Okay. Thanks for hanging. It was pretty smoky near the end there. I did put some wet wood on the fire, and it's a bit of a disaster. Didn't see what I was doing when I was cutting up the vegetables. But we try, we persevere, and we push through. So carry on, and I'll see you guys next time.